In this video, I'll guide you through how to fill out a document in Docusign from start to finish, whether you're signing something for work, school, or a personal agreement. By the end of this tutorial, you'll feel comfortable completing and submitting a Docusign document on your own. First, you'll need to open the document you've been asked to sign. Usually this comes in as an email notification letting you know that a document is ready for your signature. When you open that email, look for a button that says something like Review Document or Review and Sign. Click that and your web browser will open up the Docusign interface. You don't always need a Docusign account just to sign, so in many cases you can go straight into the document. Once the document is open in Docusign, take a moment to let the page fully load. You should see the document in the center and some controls around the edges. Near the top left or the top of the document area, you'll find a button labeled Start. Today, I'll show you how to use that button to move through your document efficiently. Go ahead and click Start. This tells Docusign you're ready to begin filling out the fields that have been assigned to you. After you click Start, Docusign will guide you from one required field to the next. These are usually highlighted or outlined in a color like yellow or blue, so they stand out from the rest of the text. I'm going to walk you through how to fill these in. When you land on a text field, simply click inside it and type the information requested, such as your full name, address, or any other details the sender needs. You may also see date fields. Often, Docusign will suggest today's date automatically, and you can either accept it or adjust it if the document requires a specific date. Click into the date field and either pick a date from the calendar pop-up or type it in, depending on the format the document expects. In some documents, you'll also see signature or initial tags. These are usually clearly labeled, and when you click on them, Docusign will place your electronic signature or initials. If it's your first time using Docusign, you may be prompted to adopt a signature style before it appears on the document. Take a moment to review it, then confirm, and it will be used each time you click a signature or initial tag. I'll show you the easiest way to make sure you complete all tags correctly. Use the navigation that Docusign provides, often a next button to jump from one required field to the next. This helps you avoid missing anything important. Continue clicking and filling out each text field, date, signature, and any other tags until Docusign no longer highlights new areas. Before you finish, pause and quickly scan through the document. Make sure every required field is filled and that your information is accurate and spelled correctly. If Docusign notices any required fields that are still empty, it will usually alert you and prevent you from completing the process until everything is done. Once you're confident everything is filled out and all tags are complete, look for the Finish button, typically at the top or bottom of the screen. Click Finish to submit your signed document. Docusign will process it, and you may see a confirmation message letting you know your document has been successfully completed. You'll often receive a confirmation email as well, and in many cases you can download a copy of the signed document for your records. That's it. You've opened the document, clicked Start, filled in the required fields, completed all tags, and clicked Finish to submit your Docusign.